Hey everybody, Dr. Ian here from Bradford Family Chiropractic. I'm here with my patient, Dr. Ray, and I'm just going to demonstrate a really good adjustment for the cervical thoracic region. This can be a hard one to get to sometimes, but there's a lot of great ways to adjust this area. I'm just going to show you one. So we'll have our patient go prone, and we'll be at the head of the table, and we'll just kind of motion. So we're talking T1, C7 region. We'll kind of motion to see where we want to go. What I'm going to do for this one, this is a less specific, this is more of a general restored motion in that joint, in that area. I'm going to use the web of my hand here and kind of place my thumb against this spinous and the web sort of in the nape of the neck. With my other hand, I'm going to laterally flex and rotate the head and just give a nice little push, just like that. That's going to get that motion back in that area.